gonna go get Daddy snoring as he sleeps. You ready? Okay, let's go. Oops. Yeah, you were so wet from being in the pool. Oop. You okay? There he is. We gotta be quiet. Careful. That's funny. And there's Bradley with a toy lion. That's funny. Oh, wait till I put this on YouTube. Okay. Are you ready, my little cohort in crime? Okay, let's go. Okay. Here, let's take it out of here so we don't wake Daddy up. Oh, there it goes. And we've got toys all over in Cadence's room. Well, it's Cadence. Okay, let's be careful so you don't fall again. Okay.
What are you doing, Richie?
I don't have any idea.
Can you bring this?
Does that come out? I think it does, doesn't it? For crying out loud.
I'm out loud.
Oh, that's how it comes off. Okay. That part can go in the water right there. This part can't. Oh, I didn't know you push the button, it plays different songs. Ooh, gotta be... Are you okay? Okay. Whew. Wow, it was hers. Whew.
You took a picture from Daddy. Snoring?
Yeah, we got Daddy. Oh, that thing's driving me crazy. Okay, now try to step up here. And then try, there you go. Good job, look at you. Good job. And that's Cadence's new pool. That's the big pool. Woo. Can I have your binky while you're playing?
Sure.
There you go. Thank you, honey. There you go. Whew, and we got what? Sidewalk chalk. We got our water shoes. And we got, what do we got in our garden over here? We got our crazy little spinners. Well, what's left of the lilac trees that I cut down. Our fountain isn't going because I shut it off because it attracts bees. Oh. There's Miss Cadence. You're gonna be 3 years old in 2 months.